What is not ownership? Something that you do not own, something that you do not properly own, perhaps. Let's go into that. Aaron, share with us some details.
So ownership is not giving away responsibilities to others that only you can truly be responsible for. Giving away ownership over to others for something that only you can truly have ownership over. So, having ownership, I see it as or when someone says, "Are you owning up to that?" or it basically means, "Are you taking responsibility for the fruits of your actions, or are you trying to abdicate or get rid of your ownership?"
Hmm. Right. So having ownership over your property, as we mentioned in our previous videos in this series, and having ownership over your responsibilities, that is too, because that responsibility properly belongs to you. I can only be responsible for my own body. But if I try to give that away to others, can I actually do that? Can I truly give away my own responsibility, my own ownership? Like you said, abdicate it and give it away to other people. Is that ownership? No, I'm not showing that I'm the owner. Before we talked about how to show to be the owner, you have to have rightful possession. You have to have responsibility, the ability to respond. If you don't have that ability, then whose ability is it over your own ownership? You don't own it. By definition, it's not ownership. So giving away your ownership to others is giving away your responsibility, giving away your rights, or giving away something that you naturally own, such as your body in the case of slavery.
Well, and we live in a society and a time, and it's always been the case, but a lot of people have they're under the illusion that the slave ship or involuntary servitude is a voluntary action, when if you own yourself 100% of the time, no one else can own you. You can't abdicate that or give that up. You're always 100% responsible for your actions and your property, and you're always responsible for those things.